Good morning, folks. Here I'm today to talking to you about regarding the instructions given for the GATE 2021 training program, which is conducted by Vidyavardhaka College of Engineering Civil Department. So, first of all, I welcome you all for this 15 days training program. First and foremost, I want to inform you that every information, whatever you require, everything will be available on our VVC official YouTube channel. Along with, if you want any information, please visit our website, that is www.vvc.ac.in. As we are already earlierly mentions that the mock exam today will start exactly at 1:30 p.m. and you can take the exam in between any time from 1:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. However, once the exam has started, the time continuously elapses and maximum time allowed is 3 hours. You can take the exam in between 1:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. today at any point of the time. The duration will be 3 hours. The timer has been set and the countdown will be displayed, the time remaining for you at the rightmost corner of the screen. Okay, when the timer is runs out, the exam ends by default. After that, no actions cannot be required because it will be automatically updated. You can flag any of the questions that you want. You can clear the answer if you do not wish to submit any of the response that is you have provided. If you drop this exam, it will not be submitted and the results will not be generated. You can finish the exam even if any questions are unattempted and even less than 3 hours. And once the exam is finished, it cannot be resumed. Remember, once it finished, you cannot be resumed. Preferably use the laptop and desktop for very good experience, even though you can also take the exam through the mobile phone if it's according to your convenience, right? So keep white sheets and pen along with you for the rough work. In each questions, the calculator will be available at the bottom left corner. The unanswered questions will be appeared as a dots and it will represent if you do not answer it, and also it will show you on the left side of the particular question number. The link will be available in our YouTube channel, and also for the registered email, you will get an email notification exactly at 1:15 p.m. today. Okay, and the link will also shared along with the Telegram channel. As we are already mentioned that you can also download the certificate, scorecard and the question paper along with the complete detailed analysis, and also the answer for the questions will also be you can able to download. Along with that, you can review the analysis. Never miss the opportunity because it's a free and you can test your knowledge through it. All the best. Thank you.